Good afternoon to my virtual learners. Let's get ready by singing our listening song.
Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time.
All right, now we are ready with our eyes watching, our ears listening, our voice quiet, and our body calm. So, this morning we talked about animals that we can keep in our house. Do you remember what those animals are called? Pets. You're right. And today we are going to make a pet. Do you remember from this morning's pet song? We had a pet that said woof. That was a dog. We had a pet that said meow. That was a cat. We had a pet that said squeak, squeak. That was a mouse. And then we had a pet that said tweet, 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 tweet. That was a bird. I wonder what pet we're going to make today. Let's start off with a book.
Some Pets by Brendan Winslow. Some pets sit. Some pets stay. Some pets fetch. Some pets play. Some pets litter. Some pets bound. Some pets go round and round. Some pets squeal. Some pets rock. Some pets squeak. Some pets talk. Crackers. No, thank you. No, thank you. Some pets peck. Some pets nibble. Some pets drool on their kibble. Some pets nuzzle. Some pets squeeze. Some pets lick. Some pets cuddle. Whether fluffy, feathered, crawly, cute, silly, strange, scaly, brute, big or small, or a blend. Some pets can be one's best friend. What's that pet?
So we learned about a lot of different pets in that story. And it had our pet we're going to make. Remember the pet that says, tweet, tweet, tweet? What pet is that? Did you say a bird? You are correct. We're going to make a bird today. And right behind me, I have a bird cage. First, we need our bird body. Put your bird in the cage. Our bird is missing something right here. Do you know what that is called? A beak. Let's add our yellow beak. Right there in the middle. And then our bird needs some legs. You can use glue or tape. Miss Jasmine used some tape. Take your legs and add them on. All right. Now, our birds that fly and say tweet, 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 what do they fly with? They fly with their wings. Let's use the special things I sent to you to make some wings. Do you know what these are called? Feathers. Let's add our feathers. You can add all the feathers you have, or you could just add some of them. Again, use whatever works for you, glue or tape, to add your feathers. I have an orange feather. I'm gonna add what color? Purple feather. You might have different colors, and there we go. We have our bird, our pet bird. Now, let's watch our pet song that we watched this morning and see if we can spot the pet we made in the song.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. I have a pet. He is a dog. And he says woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof.
I have a cat. I have a pet. She is a cat. And she says meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.
I have a mouse. I have a pet. He is a mouse. And he says squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, squeak. Woof, woof.
Meow, meow. Squeak, squeak.
I have a bird. I have a pet. He is a bird. And he says tweet, 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 tweet.
Who said it? You saw the pet we made. He has a pet bird, and his pet bird says tweet, 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 tweet. Guess what? We all have pet birds now. So have fun playing with your pet bird. Give it a name if you want to. And I'll see you later. Tweet, tweet.